Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you on how to draw an arc in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Step 1. Open a new or existing drawing in AutoCAD. Make sure you have the drawing area ready. Access the Draw panel. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on the Draw button. This will display a list of drawing commands. Select the Arc command. Either click on the arc icon in the Draw panel or type ARC in the command line and press Enter. Specify the start point of the arc. You can either enter the coordinates manually or use your cursor to select a point on the drawing area. Specify the end point of the arc. Enter the coordinates for the end point or use your cursor to select a point. Optional. Customize the arc further by specifying attributes like the radius, angle, or chord length. These options can be found in the command line or properties palette. Once you have specified the start and end point, AutoCAD will draw the arc on the screen. Repeat these steps whenever you want to draw additional arcs in your AutoCAD drawing. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to draw arcs in AutoCAD. Practice drawing arcs of different sizes and explore additional options to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!